Hey everybody, so yeah, I just wanted to show the setup for this Kafka topics command line tutorial. Also, I did want to play that song in the very beginning, that catchy opening. But here, this is the setup for the tutorial. The link should be somewhere on this video or below in the description on Kafka topic operations from the command line. Here we go. On one side, I've got a terminal open here. Let me get my tool here. So on one side, I've got one and then another two. What I'm trying to show here is I got two terminals. In this first terminal, I'm in the bin directory of a Kafka distribution that I downloaded, and then the other terminal, I'm in the Kafka topic directory from the GitHub repo. Again, there's more than one way to do this, but this is just one way. So now I'm gonna run Docker Compose. I've got Docker running, so I'm gonna run. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna actually just look in history, and I'm gonna copy and paste a command here because I'm lazy. So I'm gonna run Docker Compose with this YAML file to start it up. It should happen pretty quickly. It's just a single broker cluster. And then in the other terminal, I'll start to run some of the Kafka commands for this this tutorial. So for example, just this Kafka topics list. We should see some of the topics that actually I deleted it. So oh yeah, it's ephemeral. Whenever I start up a new Docker Compose, all those existing topics will be deleted. Anyhow, this is just the setup that I have, the two terminals where I go back and forth between running the single node Kafka cluster and then some of these basic Kafka topics command that you need to know if you're ever faced with basic administration of Kafka. So hopefully this helps. If not, leave me some questions or comments. And yeah, there you go. Have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Or maybe, I don't know, it just seemed like the right thing to say. I'll talk to you later. Bye.